That's lime that I'm putting on my face. And in case you're wondering why I'm putting it on my face, well, it's important that we do. But for real, on a real note though, I have some breakouts, and this is usually what I do, and it usually helps to clear it up real quickly, dry it up, and get my face looking back smoothly. There are certain foods that when I eat them, I just start to break out. Hate it. And the lime usually helps. So if you're having trouble with dark spots or breakouts, acne, whatever, good old lime, it works. It stings a little when you first put it on, but it will get better. So I wanna, please, I know I look crazy right now, but it is what it is. So I want to start with unboxing some of the gifts that you guys sent me for my birthday. In the last video, I had unboxed, I think it was 3 things. So right now I have 2 more, so let's look at it together. So this is one of the packages from you guys. And let's see what it is. This is a little humidifier that I'm gonna keep right here in my office. That now currently looks like a mess, but it's okay. Let's see. See what it actually looks like. Come now, man. How about the finishes? Oh. So it's packaged pretty well so that it doesn't get destroyed. Okay, I see. I see you. Alright. There it is. So it's like a stone looking. Oh, it feels like stone. I don't know if you guys can see the texture clearly. It definitely feels like stone, looks like so. It's a little mini one. I think I'm gonna keep it on my desk, and I see on the front it has 0.5 hour and then 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, so you get to set how long you want it to run for. I'm actually very excited about this. Did it come with anything else? Let's see, no, the box is empty. It also came with the adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top of the diffuser, and then I'm gonna remove this part as well. There we go. And then I'm gonna pour the water in this side, in this section. And on the package it says that you should add some essential oil, but I have eucalyptus oil from Jamaica. I'm not sure if this is considered essential oil, but considering that I have a little cold, this is what I'm gonna use. It should work for me. The cover is broken. So it's a challenge trying to throw it in this broken cover, but let's see. I don't want too much in it, just like, there we go, like a little, because it's eucalyptus oil is strong. So minty, smells like toothpaste. Okay, maybe I can add a little bit more. Now we're talking. So I'm gonna put the cover back on and then put this thing back on, and then I'm gonna press the power button. Press the power button. I know it's on 0.5 of an hour, so it will run for 30 minutes. And I don't know if you can see, but the mist is coming out and it's making the air already smell the eucalyptus oil. So I'm already in love with it, and I know it will come in very, very, very handy. I'm actually gonna keep it here in my office and use it in here. So I'm happy with it, man. I'm happy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I just want to say thank you so much for buying this for me for my birthday. I still have another package to open, but I have to run on the road, which means I have to remove the thing that we just put on my face and go on the road. So when I get back, we'll open the other one. But thank you. In the meantime, the link to my Amazon birthday wish list is still down below in case you still want to buy something. I'm celebrating my birthday all month. It's not too late. But thank you. Thank you. You guys mean so much to me, and I am so grateful and appreciative. So do you guys remember in the last vlog where I tried to clean my pot but it just did not clean? Well, you guys made some suggestions and I went ahead and I bought the things that you guys recommended and I tried to use them to clean the pot. So right here I'm using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste that I'm applying all over the pot, and I'm scrubbing with a sponge that it came with, and I left it to dry for about 8 hours. And after 8 hours I actually thought that it was gonna work, but as you can see I'm removing the thing and it did not remove the gunk. So it's safe to say that the pot is undefeated. You guys also recommended ketchup. Yes, ketchup. So here I am putting the ketchup on, even though I think it was ridiculous, but I did it anyways. I applied it and I scrubbed and I rubbed it all around, and I left that for 2 hours. And then when I came back, of course Sean is just being Sean, messing up my videos as usual. But when I came back and I tried to remove the ketchup came off, but as you can see the gunk is still on the pot. And afterwards I also tried the pink stuff because you guys recommended it. So let me know in the comment section below if you think it's actually gonna work, and leave your suggestions for some other things so that I can try to remove this gunk from off my pot. Thank you. So it's the next day. I know, please forgive me, but we shall continue. I actually used a diffuser last night while I was sleeping and it was amazing, because as you guys saw, I had put the eucalyptus oil in the water and put that in our bedroom, and the mintiness from the eucalyptus oil was so good. It almost felt kind of like a spa relaxing experience. It may just be in my head, I don't know, but it definitely did something. So I love it. So happy. Here it is. So I had actually put 2 of them on my birthday list to get for my birthday, and I saw that someone bought the other one just last night. So now I'm gonna have 2, so I'll keep 1 in here and 1 in the bedroom. So thanks again, guys. It's really good. It's small, so it's not that big. It's small. So this is the size of a water bottle, and this is the size of the humidifier. So you get an idea of how small it is. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and you know, it's able to diffuse the smell into the entire bedroom, even in here in my home office. So that's cool. Really love it. So if you guys are looking to get a diffuser that's not too expensive, not a big footprint, then you can try this one. Obviously if you have a bigger space, then you'll need a bigger one with a bigger tank so that it can run for a longer time. But this one, small room, small time. It has the half hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour settings. So after 3 hours you'll have to redo it, if you get the point. So I have another gift that we're gonna unbox now. Another package, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. It means so much to me. I'm celebrating the entire month of August, so I'm accepting gifts all month. If you want to send a gift, remember the link is in the description bar below. It's an Amazon birthday gift list. Once you click it, you select one of the items that I have on there, and you continue through the process, and it will automatically ship directly to me. So that's how it works. Let's get into this one. So this one, I remember putting like 2 canisters on there. So from the picture, I can already tell that's what it is. So it's like just storage containers. There we go. There we go. They're glass storage containers. Yes. And it comes with a wooden spoon and a wooden top. Just like that, and then you can store the spoon right there. So if you know you have like sugar or salt or I don't know, creamer for the coffee or whatever it is, you can take the spoon and scoop it out of it. So I'm gonna have this on my tea stand with some sugar in it or something. So that's how that is. There we go. I'm so happy I received these. To whoever sent this gift, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have the other diffuser coming, but that's all I got for now. You guys saw in the previous video the things that I got, and in this video you see some things. So if I get any more, I'll definitely be showing you guys. And of course, you know, I'm very grateful. So thank you so much. If you are interested in getting any of these things that I got for yourself, the link is also in the description bar below, so you can click it and order it for your own home.
Rush it in, rush it in, rush it in with the vlogging. Rush it in, rush it in, rush it in. A good thing, DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's FAMIELIN. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not boring.